Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a subscription box unboxing. This is the Elves Box by Sophie and Toffee Club. This, I believe it's $30 plus shipping and handling. So I pay around $35 a month for this box. It's a craft subscription box. I know they added I think it's two other kinds of subscription boxes to their website. So I will leave that down below so you guys can all check it out. Each box is themed. And they also give you a chance to win a free box. And this month's theme is Magical Tea Party, and they also give you like a project that you can go on and go look at, and some YouTube videos that you can go look at also. And this is everything that comes in the box. Like I said, it's tea party themed. So I'll just go ahead and go down the list and we'll find everything that's in the box. Their box is so cute too. I love the color. So I'll go ahead and push it over. So the first thing on this list is UV resin, which is this. This is the thin type, and it even gives you like instructions and stuff, which is pretty cool. I have never used their resin before, so this will be a first for me. Super excited because I hear good things about their resin. Next is iridescent pigment dye, which is this right here. And the color we got is blue. Let me know if you get this box if you guys got different colors. I don't know if they're gonna give people different colors or what. I know you can't really see it. Oh, there you go. You can kind of see it right there. So that'll be fun to use. Also, we have solid color pigment dye, which is this very pretty mint color, which I am very excited to use. Also, it's a pretty good size too. Very pretty colors. Next is a puffy heart mold, and this is exclusive. So I don't know if that means that you can only get it in this box or what. Oh, all these little packing peanuts are stuck to it. It was in like a little baggie, but I wanted to see it and I took it out of the bag. So sorry if it has little things on it. But it's just a puffy heart mold. Silicone. Next, Alice theme inclusions. This is also exclusive. So I think they're these things. They're little like Alice in Wonderland little charm things. So you got the cards from the Queen of Hearts, I think is her name. Alice, the rabbit, the hat, a little teacup. So you got a couple in here. I think that's the Queen of Hearts right there. She's upside down. Let's see. Alice themed stickers. Which are these? Which I believe you can put them in the resin without having to seal them. I might be totally wrong. But those are cute. I love the Cheshire Cat. Awesome. Next, poker card silicone mold, which is this little tiny mold right here. And I don't know if you can see it, but they're little, you know, like the poker cards, the spade, the clover, the diamond, and the hearts. So that's cute. Clock parts and holographic star glitters in 2 different sizes. So you got the clock parts right there and the stars in this cute little container, which is pretty awesome. So it's kind of Alice in Wonderland-ish. We got the last 2 things are the gold heart keychains and the gold blank bales, which are these. So these are the keychains and these are the little bales. I like how everything is like nicely packaged. So just as a little recap, we got the keychains and the bales. We got the glitter and the little clock pieces. We got 2 molds, so we got the little card molds. What are these called again? Yeah, the poker card symbols mold. And we got the puffy heart mold, which is decently sized. We got these little Alice in Wonderland metal trinkets. I don't know what you want to call these. We got stickers, 2 different dyes or pigments, and a bottle of resin. So I think that's a pretty good deal. Again, I will leave everything linked down below so you guys can check out this box. And let me know if you guys do get this box, if you guys got different colors of the pigments. And I will see you guys next video. Bye!